In this video, you'll learn how to log into your Google Cloud account, whether you're just getting started with cloud services or you're coming back to manage an existing project. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you feel confident signing in. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type cloud.google.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Google Cloud website. Always make sure you're on the correct site and that the address starts with HTTPS so you know the connection is secure. Once the Google Cloud homepage loads, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser window is maximized or zoomed out slightly, since smaller windows can sometimes hide options behind a menu icon. After clicking Sign In, you'll be taken to the Google Sign In page. Here, you'll enter the email address associated with your Google Cloud account. This might be a regular Gmail address or a work or school address managed through Google Workspace. Carefully type your email address into the field provided. It's important to use the same email that was used when your Google Cloud account or project was created. Otherwise, you might not see the resources you expect once you're logged in. When you've typed in your email, click the Next button. Now you'll see the password screen. Enter your password exactly as it was set up. Passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as any numbers or symbols. If you're using a shared or public computer, avoid saving your password in the browser to help keep your account secure. If you've forgotten your password, you can click the Forgot Password link below the password field. This will guide you through Google's account recovery process, which might involve confirming a backup email, phone number, or other security method you've set up previously. Take your time with this step and follow the on-screen instructions until your password is reset. Once your password is entered correctly, click Next. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Google account, you may be asked for an additional verification step. This could be a code sent to your phone, a prompt on another device, or a code from an authenticator app. Complete that verification to continue. After you've finished signing in and any security checks, you'll be redirected back to Google Cloud. You should now see your Google Cloud console, which is your dashboard for managing projects, viewing billing information, and using services like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, or BigQuery. If you have multiple projects, you can switch between them using the project selector at the top of the page. From here, you've successfully accessed your account and you're ready to start working with your cloud resources. If you're done using Google Cloud, remember to sign out when you're on a shared device. You can do this by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and choosing Sign Out. That's all you need to log into your Google Cloud account.